Hi DIY! My name is Natalie and I'm an illustrator. Ever since I was a little girl, I've been fascinated with the illustrations I saw in science textbooks, magazines such as National Geographic, in encyclopedias, and at natural history museums. I'm talking about those beautiful illustrations that show us things we could only see using a microscope, like atoms, molecules, and microscopic organisms. Illustrations of different types of plants and animals, those showing the Earth's structure, volcanoes, rocks and minerals, or artifacts, fossils, and prehistoric animals, and illustrations of the universe, planets, stars, asteroids, and space exploration. Together, the illustrations that show science subjects and information are called scientific illustration. And scientific illustrations are what we will be creating together in these live challenges. So, grab your pencils and let's have fun, feeding our curiosity as we illustrate the indescribably tiny, the impossibly large, the long ago, and the distant future.